Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make souffle pancakes recipe easy guide. Preheat a non-stick pan and separate eggs before making the batter. Start by whisking egg whites to soft peaks, then fold yolk mixture gently to preserve air. Use a ring mold for tall pancakes, cook on low heat covered, and steam for height. Serve immediately with syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream for light, fluffy results that impress. Gather simple ingredients and prep everything first to make the process smooth and calm. Measure flour, sugar, and milk accurately and keep egg whites and yolks separate in 2 bowls. Warm milk slightly and sift flour to avoid lumps, then whisk yolks with sugar until pale. Whip whites to soft peaks, fold slowly, and scoop batter into molds so you get uniform, lofty pancakes every time. Control heat and timing to create consistent soufflé pancakes that are tall and tender. Use low heat, a lid, and a ring mold if you want uniform height every time. Be gentle when flipping and try to keep cooking times short to avoid drying out the centers. If pancakes sink a bit, they still taste great. Just plate with syrup, butter, or fruit and enjoy the light texture while fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.